Nnamdi Kanu refuses to open defense, says no case against him. Recently, for Federal High Court Abuja, another chapter opened for the long-running matter between the federal government of Nigeria and IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Kanu tell the judge straight up, say he no go open defense because as far as he dey concerned, there is no case against him. He talk say the government never show any valid charge wey fit hold under Nigerian law. The hearing start calmly, but tension rise small when the judge ask Kanu whether he ready to start his defense. Na that time the man talk say, "My lord, I will not open any defense because there is no valid charge against me." The prosecutor remind court say dem don already call 5 witnesses before dem close their case. So now na Kanu turn. But Kanu stand firm. He insist say the whole case na political persecution, no real evidence. The judge come direct say since he refuse to open defense, make his lawyers file written address to justify that no case submission. Case don now shift go early November when both sides go submit their final papers before the court decides the next step. If you are still watching till now and you never subscribe, I beg, subscribe now. Your subscription no just support us, it help YouTube push this kind real news reach more people wey deserve the truth. To understand why this no case talk matter, make we rewind go back small. In 2015, Nnamdi Kanu first land wahala with the federal government after dem accuse am of leading an illegal organization, the Indigenous People of Biafra. He was arrested, later released on bail in 2017, but the case no end. In 2021, he was arrested again after months abroad. Since then, he don dey face several charges, mainly tied to alleged terrorism and incitement. But for every court session, his lawyers dey argue say government no get solid evidence. Now, with prosecution don close their side, Kanu dey claim say nothing remain for him to defend. That's why he say no case. Wait, so if you never like this video, why now? Hit that like button. It helps YouTube know say this gist makes sense, and e go share am to other people wey dey follow news like you. Thank you. Outside the court, security tight well. Supporters gather with placards shouting, "Free Nnamdi Kanu now," while police maintain order. Some legal analysts talk say his no case submission na smart move. If the court agree, he fit walk free. But if the court reject am, he go have to open defense later. Ordinary Nigerians get mixed reactions. Some say the man just dey use technical grammar dodge justice. Others believe government dey waste resources instead of facing national problem. A quick reminder, drop your comments below. We dey read una thoughts, and your engagement help YouTube recommend our news to more viewers. Abeg. From legal angle, if the court accept the no case argument, the judge fit dismiss all charges. But if dem reject am, then Kanu must present his own witnesses and evidence. Either way, early November go decide plenty things for this long-running saga. Remember say his bail issue still pending, and his legal team dey complain say DSS never give am full access to documents and lawyers. Another wahala inside the main wahala. If you don enjoy this gist reach here, abeg subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you no go miss when we drop the judgment update. This case no just concern Kanu alone. E dey shape how Nigeria handle dissent, activism, and freedom of speech. Many civil groups they watch because the outcome fit set new precedent for how government prosecute political cases. Economically and politically, tension for Southeast dey link to dis case. Each time court sit, you dey see mixed emotions. Some pipo pray for freedom, others dey fear fresh unrest. Please share dis video, give your friends and family make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for Abuja courtroom. No be only rumor we go dey believe online. Elopez TV gather small reactions from Nigerians. One woman talk say make government free the man if dem no get evidence. People don tire. Another man reply, if he no get case, court go talk am. But if he guilty, make him face the music. The whole talk just show how divided Nigeria still be over this IPOB matter. If you never hit that subscribe button now na the time. E no cost you anything, but e mean plenty for the channel. Help us keep the updates rolling. As things stand now, Kanu's refusal to open defense na big gamble. The judge go decide soon whether the prosecution actually prove anything. Until then, Nigerians dey wait, supporters dey pray, critics dey watch, and Elopez TV go still dey bring una the update as e dey happen raw and clear. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because the next court session fit change everything. This na Elopez TV, where news dey real, gist dey flow, and every update dey come with correct vibes.